Pixels.cool.
Welcome to you. This is explainer number 3 in the series Beginning 3D Modelling with uModeler. In this explainer, I'll explore the uModeler interface, create a new uModeler object, and add a simple box to the scene. If you're new to Unity and your interface looks significantly different to this, or you accidentally close a panel, you can reset to the default Unity layout by going to Window, Layouts, Default. I'll start by clicking the new uModeler icon here. The range of available uModeler icons has expanded. All the uModeler tools are now showing in the Inspector panel on the right, and a new uModeler object has been added to the project hierarchy on the left. At first, this array of uModeler tools can appear daunting. However, they're actually grouped horizontally. For example, click on the first icon on the top row. These tools all relate to types of selection. In the same way, the third row is different primitive shapes we can add to a scene, and so on. Be aware we're not going to be using all these tools in this beginning series, but I will point out examples of additional tools you might like to practice with as we go along. Okay, let's start by adding a box to our empty 3D scene. Click on the Box tool. As explained in the tooltip, to draw out a box in the viewport, hold down your left mouse button and drag out a base shape for the box. We can change anything later, so don't worry about being precise. Let go of the left mouse button. Next, move your mouse up to increase the vertical height of the box, or down to decrease it. The actual height won't matter for this practice exercise. Press space on your keyboard when you're happy to confirm the drawing action is complete. This visual method of drawing shapes is quite unique to uModeler and is brilliant for helping you get started quickly. One tip: 1 unit inside Unity corresponds to 1 meter in the real world. This scaling won't matter for this series, but be aware it will do if you plan to create models to use with VR or for exporting and using with other software. If anything goes wrong, you can undo recent steps at any time by going to Edit, Undo. Before moving on to the next explainer, practice adding additional primitive objects to the scene. For example, spheres, and perhaps some stairs. One thing to note is we've only created a single uModeler object. All these shapes we've added make up this single combined object. We'll look at this more closely in the next explainer, and we'll also learn how to navigate the 3D virtual scene and scale, rotate and move objects around in this space.
Pixels.cool.